can see the speedo checking light is on. So the Hello friends, today I gonna show you how to solve problem P0500 trouble code Toyota Innova Reborn second generation. So first I show you the speedometer, start the car. Okay. So you can see the speedo check engine light and the warning light is on. So the trouble code. Okay, so now I can see the scale in here. Okay, P0500 vehicle speed sensor A. So this is location front wheel right hand side. So this second generation. The first generation location speed sensor in transmission, not in the front wheel right hand side. So if you want to see complete video how to replace speed sensor, follow my YouTube channel M.Y Auto Service. Okay, so always I buy. Okay, this I buy the original part Toyota dealer. Okay, don't use a local part. Okay, let's restart how to install ABS sensor and speed sensor A. You can see this is the damage. The bearing is low after the engine. Okay. Sini. Dah lah. Sini. Okay, this one oil sensor in damage. This is the local product I buy. This local product. Okay, not successful. After I buy the recommended Toyota original part. Okay, so now I replace this one. Light on, light mati. So, okay, after replace. Okay, like this one. Okay. Yes. Good. Still this one. Okay, so now raise. Good. Okay, so this one is. This one is. Okay, so now we go for driving check.